Hey, what's up guys? So in this video we're going to continue on doing some more of the front end suspension work, and I will show you guys the new brakes. I already ordered them. They came in. Took like a day to get here, which was pretty awesome. And I ordered a kit to rebuild the front end suspension. It's all the ball joints and all that kind of stuff. So that's what I'm working on right now. A pain in the butt to remove. So there's the old ball joints. Basically, you just gotta cut out the little the pressed in, hammered in pins that hold it in. You gotta cut it out, drill it out, whatever, however you can. There's the other one. So yeah, cut it out, pound it out, get it out of there by any means necessary. Same with a rotating thing, whatever that's called. But yeah, all of it's a pain in the ass. The only thing that didn't come in the kit was new bump stuff, so I gotta order those. But either way, so that's what we'll be doing this video. We'll finish painting these guys and cleaning them up. Still gotta tear those down and rebuild them, put all the new parts in there. And yeah, so we'll see how this goes. All right, so I'm in the process of cleaning this guy up, the lower control arm, and I ordered all the new rebuild kit. So here's a new ball joint for that, even though that one looks pretty decent. But I might as well replace it, and I got the new bushings for that. So yeah, so what we're gonna do now, cut these little tabs off right here. I should be able to just pound that out of there after that. So, and then yeah, smack those out of there somehow. We'll figure that out when we get there, I guess. But yeah, here we go. Alright, so after I drilled it out, I started pounding it. I got it somewhat loose. Now I just got to get it fully out. So that's what we're working on now. Yeah, that wasn't easy. Alright, so just pounding it right here. That seems to be working. Ah, there you go. Oh yeah. There's that. One more. Alright, so we got both of them out. There's that. Yeah, now I just gotta finish cleaning this thing up and paint it and start putting it back together. All right, I'd say this this piece at least is ready for paint. So we got everything stripped off, all the grease and paint and everything else that was on here, in the dirt, muck. Yeah, that's all off. This thing's nice and clean now. So yeah, now we'll paint this. Then after that's done, we'll start assembling all the bushings and the ball joints and stuff. So yeah, here we go. Alright, so now we start assembling it. So I'm going there, just like, no, hold on, sheesh. And it's gonna go go. And then do this guy. Lock washer. Nuts. Same goes for this side. Lock washer. And nuts. So I think that was... Alright, so here's a sway bar. Decided to clean this up too. I already removed the hardware from it, which was pretty jacked. It looked like the sway bar got torn out of there at some point, only because the brackets that hold the rubber in were all bent out of shape too. And I got new hardware. So it's new hardware. Come on. There it is. So that'll replace this janky stuff. Yeah. It'll be pretty nice. So there's that. And then got these new rubbers also. So these are a little bit nicer than the old ones. The old ones looks like they don't have a cutout in them. And you gotta slide them all the way out. But the new ones are a little bit better. So a little more thought through. So yeah, now we'll just fully tear this thing apart, clean it up, and put it back together. Alright, so it's pretty simple. Yeah. So the paint's still a little tacky. Try not to touch it too much. But I'm making a video.
Why are you making a video?
See up there? Say hi.
Hi.
Over there. The camera's over there.
Hi. Hi.
Yeah.
But can we have the phone?
Sure, you can have the phone, just don't press anything, okay?
Uh-huh.
Alright.
So what is it doing?
It's not the camera that's recording, Nathan. It's not the phone, it's the camera that's recording.
Yeah, that's a cool.
Yeah. Alright, so, yeah, either way. These are a little nicer also than what was on there. Only because it's split pieces. The old ones I had to pry them out of there. So what I think it was, I think it needs to face that way. So, I mean, I can swap it out if I have to. So that'd be it. Right there. Next rubber piece. A washer, spacer, and this is what's going to go into the car, but we'll just leave it there for now. So yeah, and then there's that, and that's what that's going to look like. So that's nice, brand new. It's still a little tacky. Yeah, so that'll be it for that. Alright, so there everything is. There's the spindles you guys seen in the last video. They turn out pretty nice. It's the upper control arms. New ball joints. New hardware, everything. So basically you got to drill out the old ones, cut them out, whatever. But then the new ones come with little bolts to fasten that down. Still waiting for the rubber bushings that go in here. They were out of stock. So there's that. Here's the lower control arms. Same story. New ball joints. I got new shocks for it. I already installed on one of them the bushings that go to them. That's just grease on there. There, it's a super tight fit. But yeah, you can see how good that turned out. Not bad. Same story with these, just new hardware that holds them down. There's the bushings. So yeah, there's the other one. Still got to do the bushings on it. And yeah, let's see if we do this. Move that guy out of the way. Just kind of show you guys what it's going to look like. We got the springs repainted also. Cleaned up and painted. So I'll slide in there. Oh yeah, I chose red just because, well, I thought I'd try it out and that's the color I had for a different project. This was engine paint, so I figured it would be pretty durable paint. Should have lasted a while. And then the control arm's gonna go somewhere around here. So, but yeah, I say it's gonna look pretty nice. It's gonna look pretty nice in the wheel well. Yeah, so that'll be it for the suspension part. I got new tie rod ends and adjustment clamps and stuff. It all came in a kit. So yeah, this will be it for the suspension, or at least the front suspension, and then we'll do the rear at some point. Yeah, I'll take all of this down, then I'll show you guys the new brake conversion kit. So hold on a second. Alright, so I did get the Willwood kit. A bunch of stickers, free stickers if anybody wants them. Yeah, some hardware. More hardware. Here's the brackets to mount it onto the original hubs. So yeah, aluminum, pretty light. So there's that. Cute little brake pads. Hopefully that'll be enough. What did I hear? Ah, that's right. So I got completely new seals, bearings, the locking nut for the hub, new dust caps for it, for the bearings. So yeah, this is nice. Don't have to reuse the old stuff. And then it's where it gets fancy. I got more stickers, more free stickers, which is exciting. But yeah, there it is. Nice and pretty. Yeah, it's got the 2 pistons. So I think this will be pretty dang sweet. So there's one. There's the other one. Hey, 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 look at that, more stickers. How exciting. Then what else? This is the heavy part. Last side. What do we got here? So there's a new disc, rotor, or whatever you want to call it. I forget what they're called. Brake disc. So it's supposed to match the original bolt pattern. Nice and pretty. So the new bearings are obviously going there. Alright, so that'll be it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Thanks for sticking around. Thanks for watching. And I'll see you guys next time.